When you leave the university, the first thing you do is to seek a mentorship program in accounting firm, since you want to build a career in accounting. Except if you don't want to build a career in accounting. If you want to build a career in accounting, look for an accounting firm, accounting company that can help you develop your career, your profession, and also bring out your skills, the skills that will enhance your profession and the later days. That is what it's supposed to be. Not just graduating and enter the labor market at the first instance. If you enter the labor market at the first instance, the chances are you are not going to get the job, because there are more than 20-30 million of the same profession that are in the labor market. Out of this, more than 50% are already having the experience. Because in the labor market, what is needed is the experience and the know-how, your knowledge of the job and the experience you have gotten so far. Then to crown it all, the skill that you can now possess. Do you have it? Do you have the skills? Do you have the skill now? Because this time around, we are now in technology era. So those days, we were using paper, manual accounting. This time around, it's no longer manual accounting. We are now in what? The technology era, digital era, where you will learn the art of using different accounting software to organize your books. Those days, we use bookkeeping. We do bookkeeping with manual papers, ledgers, manual ledgers. It is not like that. This time around, you are expected to know how to use accounting software like Sage 50, to prepare your books of accounts, irrespective of the industry you are. So you are expected to know it. So therefore, what you are expected to do is to sign up a mentorship program with an organization for a minimum of 1 to 2 or 3 years, as the case may be. Those years you are signing, they are part and parcel of the experience. Your CV is, you are enriching your CV as you are undergoing the mentorship program. It is part of your CV that you are just building up, so that when you leave that organization, you will be able to get a better job. Not that an accountant somebody that read accounting, supposed to be an accountant, will not be doing a marketing job and will not be able to perform it very well, or rather other profession, not double on that profession, and I'll be moving from pillar to post. My advice to you guys, I mean, those that are still wondering about, those that are not in the profession, or rather that are outside the profession, who has wandered out, what you're supposed to do is to advise your people, advise your friends and family not to make that mistake that you made, because what you're supposed to do, you did not do it. So therefore, the young students that are in the university now, when you see this video is for you. Don't just graduate today and say you have gotten it, you want to enter the labor market. No, you need a mentorship that will guide you, because the job you are looking for needs an experience to deliver that very job. Then for those who are still looking for job, you have not gotten any job. When you leave the university about 2 or 3 years ago, 4 years ago, you said you are looking for job, but all the interview that you have attended, they ask you, do you have experience? You don't have experience. Though you have 5 years of graduation, but job experience, on the job experience, you don't have it. So how would they give you the job? Go for mentorship. You said you cannot waste time for mentorship. No, you don't know that mentorship is still part of your training. It's still part of your continuous training. Because without the knowledge and the experience from mentorship program, it is very difficult for you to just get an outright job like that. Even if you want to use your accounting knowledge to develop your own accounting system for your company. You need somebody to guide you. You need somebody to put it through. You need somebody to guide you and put it through. Because you yourself, you don't know the art of accounting, the practical knowledge of accounting. So when you come for mentorship, or sometimes the one they now call internship, you'll be tutored the theoretical aspect. You'll be reminded the theoretical aspect when you were in the university or polytechnic. You will be also be tutored the practical aspect, the implementation of the practical knowledge, I mean the theory knowledge that you gain from the university. You will be reminded, and it will be implemented live. You will see it. You yourself, you will do a practical example. Not one, not two, three, four, five examples